Okay, that's far enough with the truck, because I don't want the truck to get taken away in the riptide. No, that's you Luca Bear. Stop.
I just want to get it a little bit wet.
Let's not have a video of you not listening. Let's have a nice video. If that truck goes any farther, it goes back up with me right now. Now get the bucket. Whee! Whoa! Did you get it? Uh-oh, the truck, it's washing away! Get it! Just kidding.